Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, November 17, 2025. Ibinahagi ni Ellen Adarna ang isang video sa IG na umano'y maagang pagtataksil sa relasyon. Muling nakakuha ng atensyon si Ellen Adarna mula sa mga netizen matapos mag-post ng isang kapansin-pansin at emosyonal na video sa kanyang Instagram stories, kung saan ibinahagi niya ang sandali na natuklasan niya ang isang masakit na katotohanan mula sa kanyang nakaraang relasyon. Sa maikling clip, ipinakita ni Ellen ang mga screenshot at sinulat, "The day before Valentine's #trust issues I found out about this, screenshots, 3 weeks ago." Sa video, ipinaliwanag ni Ellen sa kanyang mga manunood ang mga pangyayari na nag-iwan sa kanya ng pagkabigla. Di ba that was 9 days, 10 days, into the relationship, she said, emphasizing how early the issue surfaced. She pointed out that, yes, we were not married that time yet, but if he was able to do that, in our honeymoon stage, how much more 3 months, 6 months, a year? God knows, right? Ellen shared her thoughts about typical behavior she has observed from mga babaero, explaining that during the early phase of a relationship, most men usually forget their side chicks. Ngunit sa kanyang kaso, nalaman niya na may nangyari sa loob lamang ng 9 na araw, na sinabi niyang ikinagulat niya. Usually mga babaero, if they find someone na sa honeymoon stage, makakalimutan nila yung mga side chicks nila. And they will return to their old ways. But this is 9 days. So God knows ano pa yung iba, right? She added. Her closing words carried both sarcasm and disbelief. This is like, I'm amazed. It's talent, 9 days. Skill, wow, hands down. Sa tapat na pag-amin na ito, muling ipinakita ni Ellen ang kanyang walang pinipiling katapatan, isang bagay na matagal nang alam ng kanyang mga tagasunod.
Yeah, so, diba, that was 9 days, 10 days into the relationship. Yes, we were not married that time yet, but if he was able to do that in our honeymoon stage, how much more? 3 months, 6 months, a year, God knows, right? Usually yung mga babaero, if they find someone and nasa honeymoon stage, makakalimutan nila yung mga side chicks nila. And they will return to their old ways, maybe a month. But this is 9 days. So God knows ano pa yung iba, right? This is like, I am amazed. It's talent. 9 days. Talent, skill. Wow. Hands down.
E-follow ang Instagram ni Ellen, i-click ang mga link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!